In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Evernote to Notion in just 5 minutes. Whether you're making the leap to integrate your workflow more seamlessly or simply trying to organize your notes, this process is a straightforward solution. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to start by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and type in notion.com. Once the page has loaded, you'll notice the login option prominently displayed in the top right corner. Give that a click to move on to the next step. Next up, you'll be directed to the login page. Here you'll find several options for logging into your account. Today, we'll use Continue with Google. Click on this option. If you're not already signed into Google, you'll be prompted to do so. A list of accounts linked to your Google account might appear, so select the appropriate account to proceed. This step is crucial as it ensures that Notion links to the correct Google account, streamlining your access. Once successfully logged in, you'll land on your Notion page. This is where the magic starts to happen. On your page, you'll want to initiate the process of importing your Evernote data. Simply type in Evernote in the search bar or in a new page block. This / command is a helpful shortcut that brings up the integration options you need, ensuring everything is conveniently accessible. After you've typed this command, you should see a selection titled Evernote. Click on this option. Now, you're on the brink of bringing all your Evernote notes into Notion, setting the stage for seamless integration between the two platforms. At this point, you'll be prompted to log in with your Evernote account. Similar to the Google sign-in process, if you're not already logged into Evernote, you'll need to enter your Evernote credentials here. This step ensures that Notion can pull the data directly from your Evernote account. Once you've logged in, the integration process will complete its final stage. And just like that, your Evernote notes will begin to import into Notion. Depending on how much information you are transferring, this might take a few moments. But that's it. You're all set. You've effectively transitioned your notes from Evernote to Notion, paving the way for a more streamlined and organized digital workspace. This process is designed to be efficient and user-friendly, enabling you to manage your notes more effectively across both platforms. Feel free to explore Notion further to fully optimize its capabilities. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has empowered you to manage your digital notes with ease and confidence.